Welcome to Theme Park Films, where we talk about all the information you need about roller coasters and more. And today, we'll be talking about the Six Flags Great Adventure roller coasters in today's video. So let's get started right away. And make sure you subscribe and like the video to get all the information you need about roller coasters and more. Runaway is the first roller coaster on today's list. It is built by Zamperla, a family roller coaster. It was built in 1999 and has a height of 13 feet. It was located in the Adventure Sea Sports section of the park, but it was rethemed to the Little Devil coaster, and it is now located in the Junior Thrill Seeker section of the park. The next roller coaster on today's list is the Blackbeard's Lost Treasure Train roller coaster. The Blackbeard's Lost Treasure Train roller coaster, opened in 1999 by Zier, is a steel roller coaster for families, and what makes it unique is that each car has a single row of 2 seats for a total of 40 riders, giving it the title of the roller coaster with the longest train in the world, giving Great Adventure another record. The ride is located at Lakefront, but it has been rethemed to Harley Quinn's Crazy Train. The next roller coaster on today's list is the Dark Knight, an indoor roller coaster designed by Mock Rides. It opened in 2008, and it is a Wild Mouse type of roller coaster, with a height of 45 feet and 30 miles an hour, based on the new movie out at the time, The Dark Knight. This is located in the Movie Town section of the park. Next up is Skull Mountain, another family dark ride for kids at Six Flags Great Adventure and families. Skull Mountain is located in the Lakefront section of the park. Built by Intamin with a height of 40.5 feet and a max speed of 33 miles an hour, this roller coaster has fantastic theming of the skull built into the rock, the skeleton teeth trying to fright you. There is also indoor dark effects and sound effects during the ride experience. Another fantastic family ride is the Runaway Mine Train, opened with the park in 1974. This steel roller coaster, built by Aerodynamics, has a height of 60 feet and a top speed of 38 miles an hour, located in the Frontier Adventures section of the park. This roller coaster has a good theme of a prospector in the wild frontier makes fortune by mining for gold, but the brakes on his old mine car held out. Now you can feel the high speeds of the Runaway Mine Train, and it's a long-time favorite for many guests who visit the park in 1974 and throughout history. The Joker is the next ride in the Lakefront section of the park. Built by S&S, this free spin has a height of 120 feet and a max speed of 38 miles an hour. As you can tell, the Joker is a DC character, and the DC character Joker is based on this ride. Next on the list is Green Lantern, the B&M stand-up, with a height of 154 feet and a max speed of 63 miles an hour, located in the Boardwalk section of the park, themed to the Green Lantern superhero. Next, we have the Superman Ultimate Flight roller coaster, built by B&M, a flying B&M roller coaster. This roller coaster is based on the Superman DC hero, built in the Boardwalk section of the park, has a height of 106 feet and a speed of 51 miles an hour. This is a great thrill ride for major thrill seekers. Built in 1993, Batman the Ride, located in the Movie Town section of the park, is an inverted B&M roller coaster. Has the theme of the Batman superhero. Has a height of 105 feet and a max speed of 50 miles an hour. This is another roller coaster for theme park enthusiasts and major thrill seekers. Next up, we have Medusa, the first floorless B&M roller coaster, located in the Frontier Adventures section of the park, with a height of 142 feet and a max speed of 61 miles an hour. This ride is incredible for all thrill seekers and visitors. But in 2009, Medusa was rethemed and converted into Bizarro, the DC superhero villain, nemesis of Superman. But in 2022, it was converted back to Medusa. Next on the list is King Dakar, the world's tallest roller coaster in the world and the world's second fastest roller coaster in the world. This massive roller coaster has a top speed of 128 miles an hour and height of 456 feet. Themed to the tiger and located in the Golden Kingdom section of the park. Next up on the list is the Jersey Devil Coaster. This RMC Raptor was constructed and built in 2021 and at the time is the tallest and fastest and longest single rail RMC coaster, but will be defeated by Wonder Woman in California's Magic Mountain. Located in the Pine Barrens section of the park, this ride has a max speed of 58 miles an hour and is 130 feet tall. This is one of the many family roller coasters that are great at Six Flags Great Adventure. Next we have El Toro the Bull, the loco El Toro, who flies you 70 miles an hour at a height of 181 feet. El Toro is a great family roller coaster and it is a great, smooth, and comfortable experience while riding El Toro. So make sure to check out the Bull El Toro. Next, we have the B&M Hyper Nitro. Nitro flies you 80 miles an hour at a height of 230 feet. This ride is located in the Pine Barrens section of the park. This ride is really smooth and is a great ride for major thrill seekers and other families who visit the park. So next time you get to Great Adventure, make sure to check out Nitro. If you want a history glimpse of Six Flags Great Adventure, make sure to check out this video. And make sure to subscribe because we talk about all the information you need about roller coasters and more. And I don't want you to miss out. And make sure to leave a like. And that's it for Theme Park Films, and I'm out.